Hi guys, Luca here from Sabre Airsoft, back again. It's been a hell of a day. It's the only way to describe it. The VMP one that I put a HPA mag into, the nozzle has broken, which is not that unexpected. It does happen. I've got a replacement that came with a gun. That's how common it is, but I might try something a bit new. But that's another video. Today we're going to be just doing a quick bit of maintenance on this. It's the TM Hi Cappa gold match, new to me today. I think it's fairly new, hasn't really been fielded much, was mostly bought for the magazine, I think. So we're going to be just taking this apart real quick and giving it a bit of grease because it is dry. These are, again, as I always say, very easy to do. Pull this pin out. You'll note, by the way, that it does have a little mushroom top, a little roller here. Not quite sure why, actually. Can't quite remember. I am tired. It's been a long day. This is bone dry. I did run, did do a bit of a funny and run this with a HPA tap and an M4 mag. It is ridiculous. It feels ridiculous and it feels horrible, but it was fun. I even put a bipod on the front. I'm hoping that some of the marshals got that recorded, but I'm not entirely sure. So, as you always, start with the upper. There are some things that I really like about the TM Hi Cappa. For example, just then, I'll show you in a second. I'll get this guide rod out. Metal guide rod, which is a good plus. This is plastic, I believe. A lot of it will be plastic, but there's a little notch just here that allows you to pull this out. Most other Hi Cappas don't seem to have that, or at least the Vorsk ones don't. Then it should be pulled out the front. Pull this over the top. Yes, no, maybe. Can't remember. Let's just have a look down the barrel. Barrel is mostly clean, could do a little bit of a clean. I do plan to upgrade this. I do plan to replace parts, like replacing the slide. But not right now, as I'm a little bit poor at the minute, a little bit skint. The hop was not on all the way, and it wasn't hopping point freeze. I feel I've been lied to. I was told that it doesn't hop freeze, and I feel like it does, but the hop wasn't on enough. But there we go. It is what it is. I haven't got a bucking I can put on it. I do plan to get some pink flamingos in soon, and then that'll probably be the first thing that I do, is replace the hop and the barrel and the slide. It's going to be expensive. Let's get that barrel quick clean. Got a clean rag here. What I'm not going to do is I'm not going to get my Sabre Airsoft branded silicone oil and put it all over my gun. I don't want to call out any company in particular. Right, that's the barrel. Was, as I say, pretty clean, so we can put that to one side. I hate that this is plastic. It is actually horrible. There's not really much that needs to be done because this is a fairly new gun. Oh, that's looking very dry. Okay, let's get some PTFE oil. Although, really, I should actually use a grease, shouldn't I? No, we'll stick with the oil for this. Oop. I'm just going to add a little bit in here. Cool. That should just help stop it sticking. This is fine for now. This can go back in. So it's all plastic, so I'm not too worried. Then we'll get the old super lube, again PTFE. And as usual, very small amount. I'm not looking to slather this in it, I'm just putting a little bit over it. So Explosive Industries did an absolutely fantastic video on why silicone oil and silicone grease is bad and we should all stop using it. Highly recommend you go and watch that video. There you go. That goes in there, that goes in there. Compress. Come on. There we go. Got it in there in the end. Sort of. Oh, why aren't you going in now? There we go. Now it's in. Cool. That's that bit done. Let me move into this bit. And I do this with every single gun that I get. Go through, remove whatever's there. If there's anything there that was not in this case, I just apply my hand. Some might be saying, well, you don't need to do that, it's plastic. Yes, you do, shut up. You're putting too much on. Nope, that's the camera. I shouldn't be putting it there though, there's no need for it to be there. I think it's time for a new brush. Yep. Bye brush. Have a new one. And they're all over the place, of course they are. Which one do I want? It's this one. This'll do. Bit of a wider brush. Real dirty that's getting already. That is not because of old grease, that is purely where the paint's worn away from it being fired without any lubrication in it. Cool, that'll do. Move that to one side. Reassemble. I mean, high caps are the easiest thing in the world. That feels much better. I haven't got a gas mag. Oh, I do. Up here. And Norwich one. Happy days. 10 minutes. So it took. Catch you on the next one.